It's tough to stomach the price of a new car right now, with the average nearing $50,000. But if you buy a reliable car, your money goes a lot further. Consumer investigator Christine Lazar shows us which new cars really make the most financial sense.
Most people think the smartest used car to buy is the one everyone talks about: Toyota Camry, Honda Civic, maybe a Toyota Tacoma. But here's the strange reality of today's used car market. The cars everyone knows about are often overpriced because demand pushes their prices higher and higher. Meanwhile, a small group of cars quietly sits in the background, rarely mentioned, rarely hyped. Yet financially, they make far more sense. Cars that are extremely reliable, shockingly cheap to maintain, capable of running 300,000 miles or more, and already finished with most of their depreciation. In other words, used cars that are basically hidden gold mines, the kind smart buyers hunt for while everyone else is chasing trends. And in this video, we're going to look at 7 of the most overlooked used cars that still make real financial sense today. Some of them are so underrated. You can buy them for the price of a new economy car, and they'll likely last twice as long. Lexus GX 460. The Lexus GX 460 is one of the most overlooked long-term SUVs in the entire used market. Under the hood sits Toyota's one UR-FE 4.6-litre naturally aspirated V8, an engine known for exceptional durability. With proper maintenance, these engines regularly push 300,000 miles or more. Unlike many modern SUVs that rely on complex turbo engines and fragile transmissions, the GX 460 keeps things simple. It uses a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission, Aisin AB60F, which has a strong reliability record. But the real secret is the platform. The GX 460 is built on the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado body-on-frame chassis, designed for global durability and off-road abuse. This same architecture is used in some of the most durable SUVs ever built. That means you're getting a full ladder frame chassis, proven Toyota truck engineering, long-term mechanical durability. Yet despite all that capability, depreciation hits the GX 460 harder than many people expect. A vehicle that originally sold for $60,000 to $70,000 can now be found on the used market for $28,000 to $40,000, depending on year and mileage. And because Lexus owners typically maintain their vehicles well, many used examples come with excellent service history. The result is a luxury SUV that can easily deliver another 10 to 15 years of service, which makes the Lexus GX 460 not just a capable SUV, but one of the most financially intelligent used SUV purchases you can make. 6. Toyota Prius. Few cars in automotive history have proven their durability the way the Toyota Prius has. At the center of the Prius is Toyota's hybrid Synergy drive system, paired with the extremely efficient 1.8-litre 2ZR-FXE engine. This powertrain was designed for longevity and efficiency rather than performance, and the results speak for themselves. Across the world, Prius taxis regularly push 300,000 to 400,000 miles, with some examples going even further. One reason for that durability is how the hybrid system works. Because the electric motor assists the gasoline engine, the engine experiences less mechanical stress over time, which helps extend its lifespan. The Prius also uses Toyota's ECVT planetary transmission, which is far simpler internally than traditional automatic or belt-driven CVT transmissions. There are no belts or traditional gears that wear out, making it one of the most durable transmission designs in the industry. Fuel economy is another major advantage. Most Prius models deliver around 50 miles per gallon, which can save owners thousands of dollars in fuel over the life of the vehicle. Another common concern is the hybrid battery, but replacement battery costs have dropped significantly over the years, and many original batteries still last 10 to 15 years or more. Meanwhile, depreciation works in the buyer's favor. A Prius that originally sold for around $28,000 to $32,000 can now be found on the used market for $10,000 to $16,000, depending on year and mileage, which means buyers get a vehicle known for extreme reliability, exceptional fuel efficiency, low running costs, and proven high mileage durability. Financially, the Prius remains one of the smartest used cars for long-term ownership. 5. Buick LaCrosse, 2014 to 2019. The Buick LaCrosse is one of the most underrated full-size sedans in the used car market. Most buyers ignore it because the Buick brand doesn't generate the same excitement as Toyota, Honda, or Lexus. But underneath the badge sits surprisingly solid engineering. Many 2014 to 2019 LaCrosse models use GM's 3.6-litre LGX V6 engine, part of the long-running high-feature V6 family known for strong durability when properly maintained. These engines are widely used across GM's lineup and commonly reach 200,000 to 250,000 miles with regular servicing. The transmission paired with it is typically the 6-speed Hydra-matic automatic, which has a long track record and is far more predictable long-term than many modern dual-clutch or CVT systems. The LaCrosse is also built on GM's Epsilon 2 platform, shared with several other mid-sized GM sedans, which helps keep parts widely available and reasonably priced. But the biggest financial advantage comes from depreciation. When new, many LaCrosse models sold for around $36,000 to $42,000. Today, clean used examples can often be found for $12,000 to $18,000, depending on year and mileage. That's luxury level comfort for the price of an economy car. Another hidden advantage is ownership profile. Buick buyers historically tend to be older drivers who maintain their vehicles carefully, meaning many used LaCrosse models come with lower mileage, clean service records, gentle driving history. The result is a comfortable, spacious sedan with proven mechanical components and heavy depreciation already absorbed, which makes the Buick LaCrosse one of the quiet financial bargains in the used car market. 4. Mazda 6, 2014 to 2021. The Mazda 6 is one of the most overlooked mid-size sedans in the used car market, even though it quietly delivers a combination of reliability, durability, and driving quality that rivals far more expensive cars. At the heart of the Mazda 6 is Mazda's Skyactiv G 2.5-litre naturally aspirated engine, an engine designed with a strong focus on long-term efficiency and mechanical simplicity. Unlike many competitors that moved heavily towards small turbocharged engines, the Skyactiv engine avoids excessive boost pressure and complicated components, which helps improve long-term reliability. With proper maintenance, many of these engines are known to reach 200,000 to 250,000 miles or more. The transmission is another advantage. Most Mazda 6 models use a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission, avoiding the CVT systems that many competing sedans adopted during the same period. Traditional automatics typically have more predictable, long-term durability, especially when fluid is serviced regularly. The Mazda 6 is also built on Mazda's Skyactiv vehicle architecture, which emphasizes lightweight engineering and mechanical efficiency. But where the Mazda 6 becomes a financial opportunity is depreciation. When new, many Mazda 6 models sold for around $25,000 to $34,000, depending on trim. Today, clean used examples often sell for $12,000 to $18,000, sometimes even less depending on mileage. That means buyers get strong reliability, excellent driving dynamics, solid fuel economy, and modern design for a price far below many competing sedans. The reason it stays undervalued is simple. Mazda doesn't carry the same resale hype as Toyota or Honda. But for buyers focused on long-term value and durability, the Mazda 6 quietly becomes one of the smartest used sedan purchases available today. 3. Honda Fit. The Honda Fit is one of the most financially efficient small cars ever built, yet many buyers completely overlook it. Under the hood is Honda's 1.5-litre naturally aspirated L15 engine, a simple and highly durable powertrain that is proven capable of 250,000 miles or more, with routine maintenance. Because the engine is naturally aspirated and mechanically simple, it avoids the long-term complexity that comes with turbocharged small engines. Transmission options also play a role in the fit's durability. Many models come with either a 5-speed manual or a traditional automatic transmission, both of which have strong long-term reliability records. Even the CVT versions have generally proven dependable when fluid changes are done on schedule. But the Fit's real engineering advantage is packaging. Thanks to Honda's Magic Seat system, the rear seats fold in multiple configurations, creating cargo space that rivals some small SUVs. That means buyers get compact car fuel economy, surprisingly large cargo capacity, extremely low running costs. Fuel efficiency is another financial advantage. Most Honda Fit models deliver around 33 to 36 miles per gallon combined, which significantly reduces long-term fuel expenses. Depreciation also works heavily in the buyer's favor. A Honda Fit that originally sold for around $18,000 to $22,000 can now often be found used for $8,000 to $14,000, depending on year and mileage. Inexpensive to repair and extremely fuel efficient. Ownership costs stay remarkably low, which makes the Honda Fit not just a practical small car, but one of the most financially intelligent used cars you can buy. 2. Toyota Avalon. The Toyota Avalon is one of the most overlooked full-size sedans in the used car market, even though it quietly delivers the same reliability that made Toyota famous. At its core is Toyota's 3.5-litre 2 GR-F EV6 engine, one of the most proven and durable engines the company has ever produced. This engine has been used across multiple Toyota and Lexus models and is widely known to reach 250,000 to 300,000 miles or more with proper maintenance. The Avalon also benefits from a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission, which has a strong reliability record and avoids the long-term uncertainty that sometimes comes with newer transmission designs. Underneath, the Avalon shares Toyota's K-platform architecture, which it shares with vehicles like the Camry and Lexus ES. That means parts are widely available, repairs are straightforward, and long-term maintenance costs remain relatively low. But where the Avalon becomes a financial opportunity is market perception. Most buyers automatically choose the Toyota Camry when shopping for a reliable sedan. As a result, demand for the Avalon stays lower, even though it offers more interior space, better ride comfort, quieter cabin quality, and the same Toyota durability. Depreciation also works strongly in the buyer's favor. Many Avalon models originally sold for around $35,000 to $40,000. Yet clean, used examples can now be found for $14,000 to $20,000, depending on year and mileage. Another hidden advantage is ownership history. Avalons are often owned by older drivers who prioritize maintenance and gentle driving, which means many used examples come with excellent service records and lower wear. The result is a spacious, comfortable sedan with proven Toyota engineering that can easily deliver another decade of dependable service, which makes the Toyota Avalon one of the most quietly intelligent used car purchases available today. 1. Lexus ES 350. The Lexus ES 350 may be one of the most financially sensible luxury sedans in the entire used car market, yet it rarely gets the attention it deserves. At the center of the ES 350 is Toyota's legendary 3.5-litre 2 GR-FEV6 engine, one of the most proven powertrains the company has ever built. This engine has been used across multiple Toyota and Lexus vehicles and is widely known to run 250,000 to 300,000 miles or more with regular maintenance. The transmission paired with it is typically a traditional 6-speed automatic, which has a long reliability record and avoids the complexity of many modern dual-clutch or experimental transmission designs. Underneath, the ES350 shares Toyota's K-platform architecture with vehicles like the Toyota Camry and Toyota Avalon. That platform sharing creates a major financial advantage. It means many mechanical components are widely available, parts costs remain reasonable, and repairs are far less expensive than most luxury sedans. But the real opportunity comes from depreciation. When new, many Lexus ES 350 models sold for around $40,000 to $45,000. Yet today, well-maintained used examples can often be found for $15,000 to $22,000, depending on year and mileage. That means buyers get Lexus build quality, Toyota mechanical reliability, luxury level comfort, and long-term durability for the price of an average economy car. Another advantage is ownership profile. Lexus ES models are often purchased by owners who prioritize comfort and careful maintenance, which means many used vehicles come with excellent service history and lower mechanical stress. The result is a luxury sedan capable of delivering another decade or more of dependable service, which makes the Lexus ES 35 not just a comfortable car, but one of the smartest financial choices in the entire used luxury market. The used car market today is full of vehicles that look like good deals, but quietly drain your money over time. High repair bills, rapid depreciation, and complicated engineering that becomes expensive as the car ages. But the cars we looked at today prove something important. The smartest used car buyers aren't chasing trends. They're looking for vehicles with proven engineering, long-term durability, and most of their depreciation already behind them. Cars that can deliver another 10, sometimes even 15 years of dependable service without destroying your wallet. And often, those cars are the ones most people completely overlook. If you enjoyed this video and want more content about smart car buying, hidden used car deals, and the real financial side of car ownership, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who's planning to buy a car, and subscribe to Bidding for Autos, because the more you understand the market. If you want more like this, subscribe and watch this next.